Installation of a flexible power cord for an in-sink waste food disposer. In-sink waste food disposer. Waste food disposer power cord kit. The waste disposer power cord kit includes power cord with plug, cable connector, wire nuts, power cable wire designation, smooth side wire, hot wire, center wire, inside green, ground wire, side grooved wire, neutral wire, flip the disposer, threaded knockout for cable connector, wiring compartment, remove the cable compartment cover screw, remove the wiring compartment cover, cable connector, remove the cable connector nut, remove the wires from the wiring compartment, neutral wire, white, hot wire, yellow, black. Install the cable connector in the threaded knockout by turning it clockwise. Grounding screw. Insert the power cord into the cable connector to a depth of 6 inches from the power cord entry. Tighten the cable connector clamp. Remove the grounding screw. Grounding wire with eyelet of the power cable. Insert the ground screw into the ground wire eyelet of the power cord. Using the ground screws, attach the ground wire of the power cord to the body of the disposer. Connect the neutral, grooved, wire of the power cord to the neutral, white, wire of the disposer. Connect the hot wire, smooth, of the power cord to the hot wire, yellow, black, of the disposer. Insert the connected wires into the wiring compartment. Reinstall the wiring compartment cover. Secure the cable compartment cover with the screw.
If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.